Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, backup camera, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent process guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.